Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted messages in Telegram. I have two methods to recover your important messages and files from Telegram. First of all, open Telegram. The first method is when you delete someone's chat from Telegram. Like that. Go to the below, and here you will see a button of undo. You can press it. After that, if you delete within 5 seconds, if you lose that chance, close the Telegram app and search for the Files Manager. Once it's open, here you will see these folders. The first thing you want to know is which thing you have lost: a document, a photo, a video, like that. I am clicking on video here. Scroll from the upper side, find Telegram, and then find your files. I hope your file will not be lost. That's the way to recover deleted messages and files in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.